Hello my viewers, welcome back to the MH Interiors, where great designs meet smart living. Today we are unveiling the top room divider design ideas perfect for modern and stylish homes. Here is the main question arises in our mind. Why use room dividers? Room dividers are more than just partitions. They create privacy and give your home such a luxurious feel. So partition creates privacy, zone open spaces and adds stunning visual interest. And the best part is they don't require major renovations. So the very first one is glass and metal frame partitions. Industrial yet modern, this design allows natural light to flow while keeping spaces separate and sleek. This partition is perfect for living and dining room separations. Now the second partition comes vertical wooden slates, a timeless favorite in 2025. They give a warm, minimal touch while letting your space breathe. Third one comes green wall dividers. Bioflake design is trending nowadays. Use planters or living walls to divide rooms naturally and purify the air at the same time. Fourth one comes sliding or folding panels. Flexible space and saving space. Open them when you need space, close them when you need privacy. Ideal for compact homes. Fifth one comes bookshelf partitions. Why not combine storage and style? Bookshelf dividers let you separate space and showcase decor or books. If you are really fond of books and seeking space in your home for books, this one is the best partitions for you. The sixth partition comes fabric or curtain dividers. Soft, cozy and affordable. Perfect for bedrooms or small apartments where flexibility is the main key. Seventh partition comes is geometric laser cut panels. Add an artistic statement to your interiors. These dividers are both decorative and functional, great for modern and creative homes. So here are the main tips how to use dividers by rooms. So the first one comes living rooms to dining area. Try open wood or metal frames. Bedrooms to dressing area, sliding glass or curtain panels work really well. Study corner in a living room, bookshelf or slatted partitions for a private nook. Studio apartments, option for folding screens or movable dividers to save space. Material and color trends. Let's discuss one by one. In 2025, it's all about natural materials and textured finishes. Think warm tones wood, matte black metal, fluted glass, bamboo and even soft pastels. Sustainability and style go hand in hand. Here are a few quick tips before you choose your divider. First point is match the divider with your overall design theme. Second point comes use open style in smaller spaces to keep them light. Third and the main point is consider multifunctional designs like dividers with shelves or integrated lighting. So, which room divider idea did you love most? Don't forget to let me know. Tell us in the comment below. Also, don't forget to save this video if you like any concept, any design, and don't forget to raise your question if you like any detail, anything you wanna ask related to this video. I have arranged all the important and the most arising panels which you really found in this section. So save the partition which you like most, use wherever and whenever you get time, you get space. If you require any detail, don't forget to let me know. I will definitely reply to your query. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with the latest interior design trends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Your one thumbs up really encourages me to create more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye and see you in the next video.